It's a chilly and foggy morning in Delhi, and what we have with us today is an equally cool motorcycle. Okay, sorry, that was a bad one. So, it was back in the year 2008 that Yamaha had introduced this sport-looking motorcycle called the FZ16 in India. With that chunky 140 section rear tire, that sleek-looking all-digital instrument cluster, and with that rather unconventional and muscular styling, Yamaha had introduced us Indians with what really a street fighter is. With looks heavily inspired from the liter class FZ1, the Yamaha FZ16 was such a highly aspirational product that it soon became the poster boy for the 150cc street naked segment, and hence the tagline, Lord of the Streets. So after the FZ range scripted its success story in India, Yamaha decided to give it a displacement advantage, and exactly 4 years back, the FZ25 was introduced with a bigger 249cc engine. So today, we are riding the BS6 version of the Yamaha FZ25, and it gets substantial updates, and in this video, we are going to tell you how it rides, what exact changes it gets, and more importantly, does it retain the fun factor for which the previous BS4 FZ25 was known for. But before going ahead, if you still haven't, please subscribe to our Express Drives official YouTube channel and click that little bell so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So starting with the visual changes, the new BS6 model gets some substantial changes, and most of the changes you can notice at the front, where as you can see, the bike now gets this completely new fascia, and you now get this projector LED headlight, and this is the same unit that you will also find on the Yamaha MT-15 as well. Apart from that, as you can see, the bike now gets this really nice looking white LED DRL, which certainly looks good against the contrasting black treatment that you now get on the headlamp cluster. So the BS6 Yamaha FZ25 now comes in two variants, the standard one and the FZS25. We have the more premium FZS25 with us, which gets some additional bits like this small fly screen at the front. Apart from that, you get these knuckle guards on the handlebar, and apart from that, what I really like is the color of the alloy wheels. These golden alloy wheels certainly make the bike look a lot more premium, and you get this alloy wheel color option with the matte green and the matte blue color options. Apart from that, as you can see on the knuckle guards, there is also this golden highlight to complement the golden color of the alloy wheels. So apart from that, the BS6 Yamaha FZS25 now also gets LED turn indicators, and just like before, you get all LED tail lamp too. The instrument cluster on the BS6 Yamaha FZS25 is an all-digital negative LCD display. Apart from the usual stuff, it gets twin trip meters, readouts for average and instantaneous fuel efficiency and clock, but misses out on a gear position indicator and RPM shift light. So powering the BS6 Yamaha FZ25 is the same 249cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, and the good thing is that despite the transition to the stricter BS6 emission norms, the power and torque figures have largely remained the same at 20.8 horsepower and 20 Newton meters. Transmission also continues to remain a 5-speed unit. Just like the outgoing BS4 model, the BS6 Yamaha FZS25 too offers a juicy low and mid-range, and the high level of refinement is intact in the new model as well. Post 2000 RPM is when the engine comes into its element, and 3,500 to 4,500 RPM is its comfort zone. Once you cross the 5,500 RPM mark, the vibrations start to make their presence felt on the handlebar. Now while the Yamaha FZ25 still continues to offer decent engine performance, it has lost some of its fun factor in its BS6 guise in the pursuit of being kinder to Mother Earth. The engine now feels a bit milder, and it has certainly lost some of its character, something for which we used to absolutely love the BS4 model. Also, while in the previous BS4 model, in which the power didn't used to taper off towards the top end, and that bike used to do cruising speeds of triple digits all day long, well, the BS6 model feels only happy doing 85 to 90 kilometers an hour comfortably, and anything beyond that is like pushing it out of its comfort zone.
One good thing though is the fact that the Yamaha FZS25 still offers a punchy performance in the lower band of the RPM, and hence it is still happy doing this. The gear shifts are super smooth, the engine is tractable, and the FZS25 feels quick on its feet that make it a great city bike. Also, we noticed a significant bump in the fuel efficiency compared to the BS4 model, as the BS6 model returned us a 39 kilometers to a liter combined.
So the BS6 Yamaha FZS25 comes with a seat height of 795 millimeters, and as you can see, with my height of 5 feet 8 inches, both my feet are placed almost flat on the ground. And that being said, even short-heighted riders whose height are almost like 5.4 or 5.5 should not be having any troubles with the seat height of this motorcycle. Now, talking of the riding posture on the BS6 Yamaha FZS25, well, the handlebar on this motorcycle is set slightly lower, and hence it offers you a slightly sportier riding position, but at the same time you sit quite upright on the motorcycle, and hence since the riding position is not very much demanding, this riding position is good enough for long distance touring as well. Apart from that, as you can see, the foot pegs on this motorcycle are not very neutrally set. These are slightly rear set, and this contributes to offering a sportier riding position.
Now, the Yamaha FZS25 always had good straight line mannerisms, and thankfully the BS6 model is no different in this regard. The bike sticks to its line even at triple digit speeds, and it doesn't tend to lose its composure even while doing its top speed of close to 130 km an hour. The BS6 FZS25 feels quite flickable in traffic, and it doesn't hesitate changing directions. Even around high-speed corners, the bike feels confidence-inspiring, and the credit also goes to the decent grip offered by the MRF tires. The suspension on the BS6 FZS25 is set on a slightly stiffer side, but it does its job of filtering usual uneasiness of the roads with ease. The stopping power to the BS6 Yamaha FZS25 is delivered with the help of a 282mm disc brake up front, along with a 220mm disc unit at the rear. Both the front and the rear offer a decent feedback and bite, and the dual channel ABS2 intervenes whenever required without any complaints.
The BS6 Yamaha FZ25 is currently available in two variants, namely the FZ25 and the more premium FZS25, with the latter being priced at 1,57,000 ex-showroom Delhi. At this price, the bike is cheaper than three of its direct quarter-liter rivals, namely the Suzuki Gixxer 250, the KTM 250 Duke, and also the Bajaj Dominar 250. However, for the lesser price, you also get lesser power output and the fact that the rivals of the FZS25 are a bit more well equipped. Also, for a hefty 24,000 rupees lesser, you can get yourself the 2021 TVS Apache RTR 200 4V that offers multiple riding modes, adjustable suspension, a dual channel ABS, and also the same power output as the FZS25. Having said that, if you're looking at the most powerful or the most feature-loaded bike in the quarter-liter naked street fighter segment, then clearly the Yamaha FZS25 is not the bike for you. So now the big question that needs to be answered is, who should actually buy the BS6 Yamaha FZ25? Well, this bike takes forward the legacy of the 13-year-old FZ brand in India, and if you want something muscular looking or brute looking in this segment, if you have been an FZ lover, then this bike is a great option to go for. Also, the BS6 Yamaha FZS25 is certainly the jack of all trades and a master of none, which simply means that the bike will fulfill almost all your requirements with ease, but at the same time, it doesn't do a single or a specific job extraordinarily well. So overall, this one is a package that you can put your money on if you are okay not getting the best of power or features, but at the same time still want something that can just do it all and is sweet enough to keep you entertained and get going every day. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.